Hey guys, it's Serena. Welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about fashion and style in our 40s, 50s, and beyond, and how to look like the best version of ourselves no matter what our age. So if you like fashion hauls, unboxings, try-ons, and things like that, please consider hitting that red subscribe button so you don't miss out any of my future videos. Today, I'm excited because this is my first package from Petite Avenue. Petite Avenue is a subscription box like Stitch Fix and some of the others, but they cater to those of us who are 5'5" and shorter. So I'm 5'2", so I definitely fall into that category. So I've already unboxed it. Well, it doesn't really come in a box. It comes in a plastic mailer, and it was all bundled up in there. So I'm going to go over what they've sent, and then we'll get into the try-on. So first, we have this ribbed boat neck pullover by Philosophy. And so it's pink and gray and kind of a white or cream, kind of a heathered pattern. And I don't know if you can see close up, it has a ribbed texture to the sweater. And this is in a size medium petite. So that would probably look really good with the gray jeans that I've got on today. So that worked out well. So that's the first item. Then we have this Jones, New York striped drape neck top. And this is not a petite, this is just a medium, but it has 3/4 sleeves and it's kind of a tunic length. So we'll try that. Next is this Crewneck sweater by Tahari. And this is in a size extra small. It's not a petite, it just says extra small, but it does look petite, it's short. So the pattern is definitely me. I don't know about getting a sweater like this. It's on the thick side, so not exactly the season for that as we head into spring. But we'll try that and see how it looks. Then we have this little graphic tee by Bobo, and it's pink, size small. It says, "Make people feel loved today." So cute little graphic tee. Looks like it has elbow length sleeves. Next is this little cropped faux suede jacket. This is Jack by BB Dakota, size medium. I don't know if it's a petite medium or just a medium in a crop style, but you can tell it's very short, even for me. But it feels really nice. Nice faux suede. It's all fabric with a fabric lining there. It feels kind of like a sweatshirt. So we'll give that a try. Next are these cargo pants. These are by Liverpool, and they're in this greenish grayish color, and they are a size 6 petite. They got pockets on the front, cargo pockets down on the legs, and then just some little slip pockets on the back. So that looks like something really comfy and that I would wear a lot, so we'll see how these fit. And lastly, we have these python print leggings by Democracy. These are the glider pant in a petite small. So I don't know if you can see that. They slightly have a sheen to them, not a lot, but you can see the snake or python print to them. So those can be fun. So we'll give these things a try, and give me just a second and I'll be back with a first look. So here's the first look. This is the sweater by Philosophy in petite medium. I kept on the gray jeans I already had on because I thought they looked nice with the gray in the sweater. And the sleeves have a slight balloon effect, not a lot, but a little bit. And then they have this wide cuff with the button detail here at the bottom. I didn't notice that until I actually put the sweater on, so that dresses it up just a little bit. And it has the boat neck, and you can see the ribbing texture here in the sweater. So this fits nicely. I like the color. I like pink on me. I think it's one of my colors. I tend to look better in pastels. So, and it does look really nice with the gray jeans. Just not sure if I need a sweater, a long sleeve sweater right now going into spring, even though this is a lovely spring sweater, or you could wear it year round, but it is a springy color. It's not thick, but it's not thin either. It's very soft. So you could definitely wear it through the winter as well. I'll just need to really think about it and see if I need this right now as we look towards spring. But it really is cute. But you guys let me know what you think about it. And I'll get changed for look number 2. Okay, look number 2. This is the sweater by Tahari in extra small, and it fits. It's very thick. Not going to be keeping this. It's the wrong season to be sending this out. It's very thick. It would be very warm. But it fits nicely. Hits in a good spot here on my hips. I'm not crazy about this bright cream neck and band across the bottom and the wrists. Maybe if it were black, I would like it more. I feel like this just kind of jumps out and not in a really good way. That's my opinion. You guys may think something different. And the pants, these cargo pants, they fit really nicely. They're soft. They have a little bit of stretch. They are a straight leg, kind of relaxed through the leg. They're short. I know I'm petite, and they sent me petite, but these are even short for me. I had to uncuff them because they were way too short, cuffed the way they came. They may look better with some fashion sneakers that I'll put on with them in the next look, but I'm not real crazy about them with the booties on that I put on with this sweater. I changed to a pair of black booties to go with the black here in the sweater. But that's the way they look. They would be very comfy. These are the most expensive things in the package. These are Liverpool. They're $98, and I really don't think I like them $98 worth. That's kind of pricey. So on to the next look. Okay, here's look number 3. Kept on the same cargo pants. I cuffed them back to the height that they were cuffed the way they came, which is two hems turned up. Looks a little bit better with these sneakers. And I put on the tee, the little graphic tee. I like the color of the t-shirt. It's super, super soft. Sleeves come here to elbow length. I suppose you could roll them up if you wanted them shorter. I do like the t-shirt. I think it would be cute in the summer with shorts, white shorts, or a little jean skirt or jean shorts, or even shorts this color. It would be really cute. So I'm going to try on the jacket. I was kind of confused by this package because I don't feel like they really sent me outfits. It was just kind of a collection of random things. The last outfit I'll put on, I guess, is an outfit. It's the leggings and the striped tunic. But that's kind of a lot together, the stripes with the python print leggings. So anyway, the sweaters don't really go with these pants. This goes together, very casual, cute outfit, so you could wear this together. But then the jacket, I don't think you would wear the jacket over either of the sweaters. So I'll slip it on with this just to get an idea of the fit. So it's very cropped. It comes just about an inch below my waist. And it's super soft. Feels very nice. It's a nice color. If you're looking for a faux suede kind of moto style jacket, this would be a good option. Let's see how much this one is. $89. It's not lined or anything. It's just kind of this sweatshirt material on the inside. I mean, that's about right for BB Dakota and their jackets. They're usually around this price or a little bit more. I wouldn't pay full price for this. If I got it on sale, maybe, but not at full price. And I do feel like it's short. I feel like it might make me look wide right through here just because it's a little bit boxy and because of where it hits. Let me know your opinion on that. That's kind of my first impression. All right, so I'll be right back with the last outfit. Okay, last outfit. I feel like this outfit is a little bit of a mess. This drape front top, I guess it's supposed to lay just kind of like that. It's, I don't know. I think I would be fidgeting with it all the time and not like the way it was laying. The 3/4 sleeves, they have this little slit here just for a little detail there, so they kind of spread out a little bit at the bottom. And then the hem is curved on the bottom of the tunic. So that's how it looks. The leggings themselves, they look okay. I mean, they fit me fine. They're the right length and everything. One weird thing about them, and I don't know if you can tell, but at the very bottom, at the ankle, they get kind of baggy. Like they don't fit tightly to my ankle. So when I tucked them down inside my booties, they just look all crumpled and messy. Not sleek like a legging should, you know? So I'm not real impressed with these leggings. Even though it's Democracy, which is a great brand, and they make great jeans and tops and everything, just these leggings. The other thing about them is they have a wide waistband here, but I can tell it's a wide piece of elastic inside a pocket. So it's moving around. The elastic isn't stitched inside that pocket, and I can already tell by pulling the leggings up that elastic inside that pocket is gonna flip and fold over and get bunched up because it's not stitched down to the pocket that it's in. And that would drive you crazy too. And I guess I'm just so spoiled by my Spanx leggings because they fit, they lay down, they don't roll over, they don't do anything weird. So it's hard to compete with Spanx leggings, and I honestly don't need another pair of leggings. So I'll pass on these, and I'm gonna pass on the top as well. Just kind of to wrap up, I forgot to mention at the beginning of the video that Petite Avenue has a $25 styling fee. And then anything that you keep out of what they send, the styling fee gets applied toward. So I haven't been real impressed with this box. I will give them another try, maybe in a couple of months or something. I'll give some good feedback and give them another shot and see what they send me again. But like I said, I just didn't feel like any of this went together. It was just some random pieces. And the fit was okay. The fit was, I mean, the clothes do fit me. They may not be the most flattering, but they do fit. So I give them an A+ on the fit. Everything does fit me. Just first thoughts though, I think, well, no, it's not my first thoughts. I know. The only thing I'm going to keep out of this box is the t-shirt. And it's also the least expensive. And that way I don't lose my styling fee. Because if you don't keep anything, you know, they keep the styling fee and you've just paid that and don't have anything to show for it except trying on the clothes. So I am going to keep this Bobo graphic tee because it's super soft. It's a color I like. I like the sentiment. I will wear this with shorts and it'll be really cute this summer. So if you are 5'5" and under and would like to give Petite Avenue a try for yourself, I'll include a link in the description box down below. And if you use that link to sign up, you will get 10% off anything that you purchase in your first order. And I think I get a credit or a discount too if you use it. So if you want to try it out, be sure to click on that link. But that's it for today. And thank you so much for joining me. I enjoy doing these try-ons and hauls, and I enjoy all the feedback and comments that I get from you guys. It's very helpful. And I love all of my subscribers that are following me and commenting. It's so fun. So please give me a thumbs up on this video if you like it. Consider subscribing if you haven't. And until next time, have a stylish day.